Hello everyone, good morning. June 7th, 2024. We are trying to understand different entry sources which can be used in our journey builder. Okay. As we have seen one of the examples like data extension, we are trying to explore more with respect to journey builder entry sources. Having said that, I'm sharing my screen and I'll be switching to journey builder. To explain some of them, I need some specific, as usual, data extension. So don't worry about the entire thing, but concentrate majorly on the entry source, nothing more or less. So we have lead generation folder here, we have training attendance folder. So I'll be creating a separate folder and I'll call it as entry sources. I'll call this one as entry sources. So try to learn more and more entry sources, explore it. I'll try my best to give as many examples I can. Okay. So having said that, first let me create a new journey. I'll call this as multi-step journey. This part of the training will also help you to learn the different versions. So I'll go with a name called entry source. Okay. I'll call this one as Salesforce case object entry source. So majorly you can concentrate on Salesforce case object entry source. That is the name given. The first thing is what I always do is save, organize, and it will be saved under entry source. As of now, so we have learned data extension. We'll try to explore API event. We'll try to explore cloud pages. We'll try to explore data extension. We'll try to explore event. Event is not used from last 4 years with respect to my experience. We will be using Salesforce data. Remaining 3 needs an additional configuration. We will think about it as and when we progress. We have learned the data extension as our entry source. As one example, we'll be doing a couple of more examples around it. As I've said, so we'll be exploring API event, how to configure it. Cloud pages, I'll explain it probably coming week or in the next train. Data extensions we have done, and I would be very excited to showcase you people with respect to Salesforce data. First, to do this Salesforce data first, you should have Salesforce CRM. You should have Salesforce CRM. You can see this Salesforce CRM connected to Salesforce marketing. So what is the prerequisite to use Salesforce data? You should have Salesforce CRM connected to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And to do that, I'll go into setup to check whether it is connected. Under setup, you'll go to apps, Salesforce integration. And here you should confirm it whether you have that created or integration is completed. So in this case, you can see there is a Salesforce org ID. This is connected and this is the org. Okay. That is the first prerequisite if you want to use Salesforce data. And there will be 1 or 2 sessions where we will be learning how to connect Salesforce with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay, let me go back to folders, entry sources, and Salesforce object as entry. Now, I will drag and drop Salesforce data, and I'll drag and drop an email. And here we'll be having, instead of 1 day, I will make it as 1 minute. Now, once again, you people have to recall the story which I said. Salesforce data, email, and 1 minute. I'll save it. And what is the entry source? It is Salesforce data. Now, you should learn Salesforce if you really want to use Salesforce data as entry source. Don't worry, I'll give you the introduction of this. You can learn it in your own way. So I'll go to Service Cloud. I'll go to Service Cloud. And now I'll be explaining you people the case. First, we should understand the example. I'll go to cases. I want to create a case. It's a complaint. Okay, let's assume you people are our students. Correct? You people are our students, and you people are our contacts. Contacts are nothing but students. And you can see there are 29 contacts. And let's assume that Giri is not happy with the services. So he will call up our customer care and he will say that I'm not happy with the class. I'm not happy with the course. I'm not happy with the trainer, something like this. And he would like to create a case. You can see this case. When there is a case created for Giri, he should receive an email. Your case is created with us. We are working on it. We will get back to you in next 5 days. Something like this, as simple as that. Okay. When do you want the contact? Now understand what is entry source? What is entry source? Entry source. What is entry source? Entry source will tell journey builder from where contacts enter the journey. And obviously when in the previous example it was 12:30 p.m. Indian time zone, and now contact is coming from Salesforce when the case is created. When the case is created, very important. Now, this is the first key point what we should learn. When they will come, from where are they coming? From where are they coming? It is from Salesforce. In the previous example, it was when are they coming? It depends on your use case. So that is the reason I'm creating a story. I don't have the email. Obviously, I need to create that email, okay, to fit our needs. Are we good? Perfect. Now, when they should come? When there is a case created. Now I should configure this. I'll click on Salesforce data. You will see three options: Salesforce community, Salesforce campaign, and Salesforce data. I'm selecting Salesforce data. I'll click the next button. How are they coming? They are coming from case object. They are coming from case object. Some terms are very new for you people. Don't worry. They come from case object. Who will be coming? It will be contact. Who will be coming? Contact will be coming into the journey by using the case ID. Good. What is the scenario they have to come in? When it is created. Do you have any additional condition? No. Don't worry, you'll learn this in detail. Do you have any additional filter? No, but I want to ensure that the contact has an email address. Contact email is not null. Contact email is not null. Parent case, contact email, yeah. So who is coming in? Case is coming in. Contact ID will come in, email will be coming in, email opt-out. These are the information which will come in. When they come into the case, I would like to bring some data. Let's see how the case is getting created. We have to understand this. So Giridhar is the name of the contact, status is new, priority is medium, case origin, where it is coming from, the type. So type is here, case reason, okay, web email, web company, product, subject, description, internal comments. So this is what we want to bring in. So remember what I want to bring. I want to bring the status. I want to bring the subject line and description. Okay. I'm just showing you how the case will be created manually. And this information should come into our journey. So currently we have case ID, contact email, contact has opted out. but I want to bring in data from case. So what do I want? I mentioned that case origin, if you want it, case number, status of the case, subject of the case, and description. A, B, C, D, E, description. Okay, I want to bring all this information. I'll keep an eye on this one. Don't worry. You will learn all these email build parts. This is required for me to build the email. Okay, don't worry. So do I need the first name of the contact? If yes, you can bring in that one also. Uh, Let me go back. Contacts first name. Yeah, I need the first name. I need the last name. Okay. Okay. This all in case status, contacts first name, contact last name. I need for personalization. Okay. Don't worry. I click on done. Now, whenever there is a case created, contact will come into the journey. Yes, we know it. That's wonderful. But they will enter the journey. Now they will enter the journey every time. I will explain this as you people know. First, let us configure this. We need to connect the story once we have configured this. This needs experience, understanding on tool, and many more. Currently, I'm selecting contact re-entry anytime. Okay, and here it will be 1 day wait. I can make 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. It all depends. Okay, we'll improvise it later. So I need this email, right? Obviously, I need to switch to content builder. So you have to understand data, email build, journey, everything. You'll start connecting all the dots. So as usual, I'll be creating a folder called entry source, and I'll be creating an email folder called case created subfolder, and then I'll be creating an email. Email message from template. I'll go with this one. I'll call this one as case created entry source email created on June 7th, 2020. I usually go with timestamp so that I understand when it was created. That's it. And this, I need to have a simple image block, and I will give the details there. So I'll just go with this. Hiking, camping, birthday, skiing. Is there any other images? Let's see. Yeah, survey image. I'll just go with this. Thanks for your using NTO support. And here, it will be very simple content. It will be a very simple content which I want to, or wherever I want. What do I want? I want here subject line. So let me type it. Hello, the first name, comma. Your case is created on okay. Hello, first name. So this should be the one which is called as personalization. Double percentage. Hello, your case is created on. In the body, I want to explain it. Subject line. What is the subject line? 12:30, you have received the email. Subject line should be this one. Then case number, case number, double percentage. It's all personalization. So I'll go with break. Break is HTML. Move it to next line. Break. Which one? Case number, case subject line, and case description. Okay. So always it will be couple of things which we'll be learning first, then we'll be bringing all your knowledge together. So this is my body part. Let's go back to content. I know it is not good looking. Don't worry about it. Subject line. Okay. And then I would like to add the case number. Okay. Save and exit. I know this is perfectly fine. I need not have to test it. I don't have data also to test it. This is my one. So, and if you people remember, I created some publication list long before, which you people are using. Recall that point. I'm trying to create a case. I want to create cases as one of the publication. Now we people know where they come from. We know the email content. So let's see whether I receive it, and also Salesforce case object entry source, email configuration. I should pick the email which I've created first. It will be here, but preferably go to the folder. Message configuration, it's default commercial SFMC training, delivery options. I'll select the publication list. Summary, done, save. I'll never forget to organize and validate it. If it is validated successfully, okay, what it is telling, email case created, entry source email did not pass validation, personalization error, you created this to fix the problem. So I think there is an error. Make sure that there is no space of probably. Let's see whether I have any spaces. This looks good. This looks good. Case description is missing. You can see this. Case description is missing. I'll copy this. So I'll go back. Usually it should not work like this. So I'll delete it so that I don't have any confusion. I'll drag and drop the email part. Save it again. After saving, I'll switch to content builder. Content builder validation will throw error. Now, today it will be, you will be having a lot of questions. What is this going on, right? So I can go back to HTML. I can do it here also. Double percentage and double percentage. Is there anything else which I have missed? I don't think so. XT long date. This is also good. So then exit. Journey builder. Always use only one tab. As you people are able to see, email build in content builder, journey builder in journey builder. Once again, email. configure it. You should have a clear picture, idea on the things what you want to demonstrate. I'm just trying to demonstrate one example of entity source. The other one will be a purely programming part, but still we can quickly go over it. It's created, default commercial, delivery options change to cases, select summary done. I'll never forget to save it as a best practice and then validate it. Hopefully it should go through. Hopefully it should go through. If not, we'll guide it. Okay, email did not pass validation, personalization error. Your case is created. I think it is in the subject line. Let's see. Your case is created. Is this the one which is causing the issue? Probably yes. Personalization in email studio. I think it is XT long data. Let's see. I think that is the one which is causing the issue. This one. No, this is correct. According to the error, edit the message. If that is causing issue,
First
just
name, there was a percentage missing in the notepad.
where this one.
Oh, no. That line, hello, case contact first name. Is that?
Oh, there is 2%.
Yes.
Case subject, case number, description. No, it is showcasing exactly here. Case number. XT long date. This is good. Double percentage. That is the case, I'll just remove that. Because we want to send the email. We don't have to waste our time on personalization. Let's see. Your case is personalization error double. Okay. So here, I think it is this comma. Comma should not have been an issue, but still. Data extensions, you can see this here. I'll show you. Let me see whether we have all those fields. In the previous examples, if you remember, you people have given double percentage, the field name. Okay. That field name, what I'm referring, that is the one which might, okay, the first name. Let's wait for this data extension to load. Okay. Case ID, case origin, case number, case status, case subject, case description, case email, case opted out, and case contact first name, case contact last name. So I think if this is causing the issue, is created. Or else we'll just make it a simpler email and we'll just try to figure this out later, because personalization is not important. I just wanted to send out an email. That's it. Edit content. What did I copy? I should have this one in place. First, done, save. I don't need any confusion here. Let's delete this. Done, save. HTML editor. To preview and test it, actually, I don't have the sample record here. When you make changes, it should have already fixed it, but still we'll review it. Without validation, you cannot prove this or activate it. Okay, I got it. So no confusions. Journey builder to email studio back. Don't use multiple tabs. I'm sorry. What I'll be doing is I'll just try to have template based case email without personalization. June 7th and save. Hello, valued customer. Your case is created. Simply, very simple. One image block, browse it, image, survey image. Even you will be in the same speed as and when you progress with the tool. I switched back to Journey Builder to configure the email. Salesforce email. I have to wait here, no other option other than waiting. Case created, case email without personalization. No changes here. Usually I don't forget to select publication list as a best practice. Organize it, validate it. This will be true for sure. Activating and yeah, activate it. Now, I'll be creating couple of tickets for you people, okay, down the line. Now we will test it So it will be at least 3, which I'll be doing just to showcase you people. Okay. Watch my screen. So this journey is active. Re-entry anytime. Just concentrate on this part. Only this part. Concentrate only on this part. Re-entry anytime means whenever there is a case object created, you will be in this. How many records you see? It is 0 as of now. You will receive everyone. Case ID, case origin, case number, case status, case subject, case description, contact ID, contact email, first name, last name, and adopted. Okay. The first one will be Giri. I'm creating a new case. Let's understand the scenario. Giri is not happy with the training. So he called up to the customer care. The status of the case is new. Priority is medium. The origin of the case is phone. The subject line is student is unhappy with trainer. Okay. Description. Student is in SFMC April batch, not happy, and many more things. Okay, I'll just click the button save. This is the first case created for Giri. The case number is 1026. I can go there also. Okay. Case created, subject is students unhappy with the trainer, priority is medium, status is new, case number is 0001026. Good. What is the expected result? They should be in this data extension in no time, almost in real time. Almost in real time, we expect the object to be created here. Okay, that is the record. And we are expecting that person to enter the journey. That person to enter the journey. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we have any additional filters, knowingly or unknowingly. Master record contact case contact email was set. If this something I have messed it with this criteria, I think they might not enter. The contacts, the case is here. Do we have the contact? Yes. Do we have the contact email? Yes, we have it. And for some reason, if this is not allowing, now you can see what is the version it is running. I'll not take more than 1 o'clock. I know many people might have to go to your job. Versioning is 1, it is running. If I create a new version, the second version will be in draft mode until unless I activate it. Since I want to make some necessary changes here, entry criteria, filter criteria, I cannot edit it here, I have to reconfigure it. Let's see. I think some additional filter which I've added, that will be on this problem. Can I edit it? Contact email is not null. This is good. Need not have to create any issue. I can save it until and unless I activate it. Until and unless I activated, version 2 will be in draft, version will be running. What do you mean by running? If running means they accept the contact. So contact evaluated 0, contact accepted is also 0. Master record case contact. I think this condition itself is causing the issue. That's absolutely fine. And if I have the draft version, I'll delete this, save it. I'll reconfigure. And then case, contact ID, whenever the case is created, no additional filters, no additional things which I want, created, case opted out. I'm keeping it simple now because my agenda is to just send out an email. Even if I hit the button activate, it will. So before activating, I want to showcase, anyhow, it's a part of learning. Currently, it is in draft mode. If I activate it and if it is successful, remember what I said, draft will move to running. Version 2 is in draft mode. Version 1 is in running mode. Running will go to finishing automatically. Version will go into running automatically. Watch the video completely. Don't create anything. Just watch the video once it is uploaded. Version 2 is running. Version 1 is finishing. If I want, I can create one more version. No worries. What will happen? Version 3 will be there. Version 3 is in draft. Version 2 is in running. Version 1 is in finishing. Don't worry about this draft mode now. We are not changing anything. We are trying to ensure that version 2 is accepting the contacts. Okay, that is what I'm trying to do. So I'll go back to contacts. In contacts for now, I'll just try to pick Chandra Prasad R, and this is the email address what he has. I'll go to cases. I'll try to create one simple case for him. Status is new, medium priority. Subject line is student is unhappy with the train. I'll click on save. Case origin. Okay, case origin is from phone. So 1024, this is the case. Case is created. Case is created. So if this is also not working, obviously I need to rework on the part, what is going on or what is not going on. And it worked, I guess, because I received there was some conditional error, no worries. So what I can see is the second version, okay, this one, 3727. And here I can see a record. Chandra Prasad Raju calls this the case ID, contact ID, and I have received the email. Hello, valued customer, your case is created. Okay. So what is the story? When the case is created in Salesforce CRM, they will enter the journey. And I asked you people to remember one point about journey settings. They can enter the journey anytime. Means this journey allows the contact. They came in, they will go out after 1 day. Means they are still in the journey. Because of this journey settings, re-entry anytime, they will enter the journey if I have created one more case to the same contact. I have received one email. Hello, valued customer, your case is created. I wanted more specific things, but absolutely fine. Okay. And now for the same contact, I will create the second case. The second case is new, priority is high, case origin is email, description is not happy with training material. The same contact will enter the journey for the second time, almost in real time. Almost in real time, the contact should enter the. I have already received one more email. You can see this. Hello, valued customer. The second email. This is the one which we received 0 minutes ago. It's the same. There is no change in the content. I wanted to have something. So you people will also start receiving almost similar like this. I'll try to work on that. So this is Salesforce data. So each example will take some time to explain and to explore. Okay. Journey Builder, as I mentioned, is one of the biggest tools. So we'll look into it. Let's learn email build next week. And I would like you people to go through with your attendance part, mark your attendance for today. And also I will upload all the videos expected that you people will be completing. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead and a happy weekend. Any questions, feel free to question.